Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14 Statistics, Exercise 14.3, 6th question. Alright, now let's read the question. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in the surnames. Okay guys, so what is the meaning of this surnames? So when you just pick up a telephone number, okay, so randomly you're supposed to pick up a telephone number. So in that number, of course, you can see the names, isn't it? So those names here they mentioned it as surnames. Okay, that is the meaning of surnames. Okay, from a local telephone directory. What is the meaning of directory? Directory is a book. In olden days, we used to they used to note everything on book. But nowadays, websites, those things are there. Okay, so directory means book, otherwise website. Okay, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames. Of course, I told you about the surnames, isn't it? So surnames, of course, names means it has letters that is in the English alphabets. It has English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Now we are supposed to determine the median. That means we are supposed to use median and we are supposed to solve it by mean. That's all, I guess. Yeah. And still the question, wait one second, so I'll write, we are supposed to find the model size as well. Okay, so this is a part of a question, I forgot to write it, of the surnames. Okay. Okay, so here we are supposed to find mean, median and mode. So model means mode. Okay, so we are supposed to find mean, median and mode. So first of all, let's find median. Okay. Okay guys, so since you guys know, we are going to find the median, isn't it? So what is the formula for median? So the formula for median is, one second, is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F and close the bracket into H. So this is the median formula, isn't it? So here we want L value, H value, frequency value, CF value, and of course n by 2 value is also important. So now let us find the CF. Okay, to find the CF we have to write the first number as it is. So write this first number as it is, that is 6. Now we shall add 30 plus 6 is 36 and 40 plus 36 is 76 and 16 plus 76 is 92 and 4 plus 92 is 96 and 4 plus 96 is 100. Okay, so here when you just do total for this frequency, will get the value that is 100. Okay, so I am sure that my calculations are correct. Why? Because I got the similar values, isn't it? Okay. Okay, since we found the CF values, so here the total, here it is 100, so this is going to be your n value. So n by 2 is equal to, n value is 100, so 100 divided by 2, cancel it. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 0. Okay. So guys, we are going to be comparing it with 50. Okay, so according to 50, which is the greatest number in these both numbers? So according to 50, 76 is the greatest number, isn't it? So since 76 is the greatest number, we are going to mark it. Okay. Okay, so after marking it, here 40, this is going to be your F value, that is frequency. Here this is going to be a lower limit. Okay, so I'll write it here. So lower limit is 7 and then frequency is 40. So what about H value? Upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so now let us find the CF value. So since you guys know, whenever we mark something like this, we are supposed to take the previous number as CF. Okay, so the previous number is 36, that is going to be our CF. So now we know all the values, so we can actually apply it in the formula. So the formula is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F, close the bracket, into H. We can apply right over here. So is equal to L value is 7 plus N by 2 value is 50 and then minus CF value. Where is it? Yeah, CF value is 36 divided by frequency is 40 and into so H value is 3 is equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36 is 14, and here it is in the numerator, so let's write into 3 divided by 40 and close the bracket. So now let us solve it. So now is equal to 7 plus, so here we can actually solve this, isn't it? So we can actually cancel them, so let us cancel in 2 table. Okay, so 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and then 0. Okay, all right. So now 7 3s are, it is 21 divided by 20. Okay, so is equal to 7 plus 1 second, yeah, 21 divided by 20 is 1.05. Okay, and then is equal to 7 plus 1.05 is 8.05. Okay, so this is going to be our answer for median. Okay, so what is the meaning of this particular value? So here, since you guys know, there are 100 surnames, isn't it? There are 100 surnames. In that 100 surnames, no, half of the portion, so half of 100 is 50, isn't it? So 50 surnames have less than 8.05 letters and rest of the 50 have more than 8.05 letters. Okay, so that is the meaning for this answer. Okay, so now since we found the median, now let us find the mean. Okay, okay guys, so now let us find the mean. Okay, mean. Okay, so what is the formula for mean? So in mean, no, we have two methods, that is direct method and assumed mean method. So here I am going to use direct method. Okay, so what is the formula for direct method? So mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So this is the formula for direct method, isn't it? So now let us find the xi value. Okay, how to find the xi value? It's literally easy, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here the upper limit is 4 and lower limit is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by 2. So we will get a point value, isn't it? So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. And here also when you just apply the same formula, we will get 5.5 and here 8.5 and here 11.5 and here 14.5 and here 17.5. Okay, so now since we got the xi value, let us find the fi xi value. So fi xi means fi into xi. So 6 into 2.5 is 15, 30 into 5.5 is 165, and here when we just multiply we will get 340, and here when we multiply we will get 184. 4 into 14.5 is 58, I am sorry. Okay, 4 into 17.5 is 70. When you do total, no, we will get 832. Okay, so here total. Okay, so for fi when you do total we will get 100. Okay, so now we can apply this these values in the formula, isn't it? Okay, so let us apply it. Is equal to fi xi value is 832 divided by 100, right? Fi value is 100 is equal to, so we can write 832 as it is. So since we have two zeros after two numbers, point. Okay, so this is our answer. It was pretty easy, isn't it? Okay guys, so again I drew the table. So now we are going to find the mode. Okay, so what is the formula for mode? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 and close the bracket into h. Okay, so here we want L value, so I'll write here, we want L value, f0 value, f1 value, f2 value and h value, isn't it? Okay, so it's literally easy to find. First let us find the f1 value. So here in this frequency, what is the greatest number? So the greatest number is 40, isn't it? So we will take this 40 as f1 and the previous number as f0 and the down the number we take it as f2. Okay, so here in these both values, which is the lower limit? This is the lower limit, isn't it? So the lower limit is 7 and f0 value is 30 and f1 value is 40 and f2 value is 16. What about h? Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so here 10 minus 7, it's going to be 3. So now it's literally easy to apply that in formula, isn't it? Okay, so now let us apply that. So is equal to L value is 7 plus f1 value is 40 minus f0 value is 30 divided by 2 into f1 value is 40 and minus f0 value is 30 minus f2 value is 16 and close the bracket into h value is 3 is equal to 7 plus bracket 40 minus 30 is 10 divided by 40 into 2 is 80 and minus is plus, isn't it? Okay, so when we just add them, we'll get 46. So since the greatest number is 30, which has minus sign, it's going to be minus 46 and into 3 is equal to 7 plus and then 10 divided by 80 minus 46 is 34. Perfect. Now into 3. Okay, so now is equal to 7 plus, so here 3 is in numerator, isn't it? So 10 into 3 is 30. So 30 divided by 34. Okay, so now what we can do is we can actually divide it. So 1 second. Okay, so is equal to 7 plus 30 divided by 34 is 0.88. Okay, and then is equal to, now we are supposed to add them. 7 plus 0.88 is 7.88. Okay, so this is the answer. So finally we solved the question number 6 by using mean, median and mode. Okay, so we used all the formulas. Why? Because according to the question we have to solve by median, mean and mode. Okay, so finally we solved it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.